Hello, good morning, friends. In this session, I'll be walking you through a coolest feature that we have recently developed and implemented is analyzing SQL Server weights in depth, actually. So the moment when you log in into weights analysis page, you would see all the server that you are monitoring on the box level. As you can see, which server has highest wait time based on the waiting period. It is in minute. Currently, I'm just monitoring two servers, so you are seeing only those two server in different color. And as we can see, the blue one has highest waiting period than red one. Red one is a different SQL Developer Edition, and the blue one is a SQL 2012 Express Edition. And if we drill down below, we can see the top 50 SQL statement which were having highest weight. Here we can see that waiting period and at what particular percentage here. And we can also see the query inside, whether it has within its execution plan, it has detected some implicit conversion, scans, and so on. And if we go to other page, we can see some query also has recommendation about missing index. Some has key lookup. So some DBA and developer has very implement, nice insight about these findings, and they can, you know, uh, take a further step to tune it. Now let's dig down in detail. Let's see what happened on this particular server on this date. So the moment when you click on this, now you are within that server, and there are several weights uh, based on different resource type. Here we see most of the time on 13 and 14 there were huge waiting because of disk basically, and the red one is just for blocking and locking. And we can also look into the several queries below that have uh, some waiting inside. But I would like to look into the biggest waiting period at this particular time at 10 o'clock. The moment when I click over here, I can see at 10:45 we had around 34 second, okay, because of disk basically. And we can see all those queries that were executed at this time. We can also look into query detail. Once you click over here, you can come here and see this was the exact query that were executed. And we can also download the execution plan, and we can get insight about what happened about the query inside the query. It has missing index and implicit conversion. Maybe a developer can write an efficient query and fix it. This gives you very in granular level of information, and it gives anybody to resolve particular performance issue with the query that caused server slowness because of this. And if you come over here, you can also, uncheck the other weight category just to focus on what you wanted. So let's say if you click over here, let me strike off everything, and we can see all these weights are basically it was arrived at this point and gradually it decreased. So you can drill down particularly at this time and see what happened at this time. I hope this feature you may like it, and if you have any suggestion, let me know. Thank you for watching it.